Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the lobby and confirming permissions. Open play, choose practice with bots or custom server, then set the lobby to private so only invited friends join. Invite teammates through Steam or in-game friends list. Copy the lobby code if someone is on another client. Once done, make sure everyone has matching game versions and any required workshop maps installed. Mismatches will block join attempts. This step prevents simple join errors and saves time. You now configure the detailed match settings and why each matters. Choose the game mode and build a clear map rotation with round limits so pacing matches your group's preference. This avoids mid-game arguments. Set team sizes, friendly fire, and swap rules to control competitiveness. Enable or disable bots depending on player count, and tweak spectate and timeout durations to streamline rejoining. If you know server CVAR, apply them. They fine-tune physics, economy, and round behavior for consistent play. You finish by launching the match and handling issues quickly. Begin with a short warm-up so everyone confirms controls and buy settings, then start the official match when all are ready. If a friend can't join, first check NAT/port issues, verify game file integrity, and confirm workshop map versions match. Reconnect after fixes. Use the server console or admin panel to change maps, restart rounds, or kick disruptive players. That one troubleshooting step, verify workshop map versions, solves most custom match join failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.